BeeStation Plus 8 terabytes honest results. I canceled Google Photos and never looked back. You ever open your phone and realize you have 47,000 photos scattered across 3 different cloud accounts, half of them duplicates, and you still can't find that one video from your kid's first birthday? I stared at my screen for 3 hours last Christmas trying to make a slideshow and almost gave up. Does this sound like your Tuesday? Drop a help in the comments if you're tired of this chaos.
It's not just the mess, it's the constant low-grade panic that one day Google or Apple is going to hike the price again, or worse, lose your stuff. You're paying every single month for something you don't even control. I knew there had to be a way to own my family's memories without feeling like I was renting my own life.
Then I set up the Synology BeeStation Plus 8 terabytes. 10 minutes after plugging it in, all 4 of our phones were backing up automatically. The first time I searched for Mom at the Beach 2022, BeePhotos found every single shot in half a second, even the ones buried on an old iPhone backup. The AI facial recognition grouped every kid from newborn to now without me lifting a finger. I finished that Christmas slideshow in 38 minutes instead of 3 hours, and my wife actually cried when she saw it.
It's not just me being dramatic. A freelance photographer I know ditched his Dropbox business plan and moved 6 terabytes of client RAWs to his BeeStation Plus. He's already saved over $1,200 in subscriptions. Families in the Synology Facebook groups are posting screenshots of 80,000 plus photo libraries running perfectly. One dad added a second 8 terabyte drive for redundancy and said it's the first time in 15 years he slept without worrying about a drive failure. Yes, it's a one-time purchase that feels big up front, but mine paid for itself in 22 months, and now every new photo is free forever. The craziest part? It's completely silent in the living room and uses less power than a light bulb.
So imagine never getting another storage full notification, never paying another cloud bill, and actually finding that perfect photo in seconds while your kids wait impatiently. Thousands of us have already made the jump and canceled the subscriptions for good. If you're ready to own your memories instead of renting them, I dropped the link to the BeeStation Plus 8 terabytes below. Yes, affiliate, full disclosure. Go check it out. Your future self is going to send you a thank you text from next Christmas.